Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Audrey and I make content about all things wellness, and if that's your kind of thing, please consider staying by subscribing. It's nice here. It's a vibe. So I just wanted to introduce you to today's vlog. We are going out for the summer festival, which is I'm sweating because it's really hot, but I'm hoping it'll be better once we go out. But anyway, this is like the color fest. So yeah, I'll see you when we get there, when I'm a lot less sweaty. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm just wearing a green two-piece and one of my shadows. I'm sweating. We need to go. Let's go.
That won't rush and follow you. Let's go.
A sun-kissed high. Okay guys, change of plans. We got there and it was about 3 hours after it started. The space was a little bit small, so it was looking kind of dirty, and it looked like they had already done the main thing of throwing the paint and everything. So we missed this one. Hopefully there'll be another one this summer and then we can go to that one. So change of plans. We are looking for a restaurant to go to. So I guess this vlog has changed to date night. Okay, so it says it should be served at 18 to 20 degrees. That's chilled. So I'm just gonna put it in the fridge now. And so I've just put it in the fridge now because they said you need to serve it at 18 to 20 degrees. That's kind of chilled. So yeah, I'm going to open up that bottle, have a glass, and just wind up the night. So if you've gotten to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next Sunday.